I'm here at Beyond the Streets.
Mililo, M-I-L-I.
M-I.
Yeah, this is huge. It's crazy. There's all kinds of interactive installations. Just shows the power of art. I mean, so many people are out here today. This is Friends and Family Day. I was invited by Jim Prigoff. Hey, Mr. Prigoff.
Hello there.
How you doing? Good to see you.
All right.
He's the author of the book Spray Can Art.
I've been in the streets of the United States and the world documenting public art for over 40 years. Very fascinating to me how it has developed and changed, and it's like a mighty river. It keeps on flowing and all the tributaries flow into it, and who knows where it will go.
So Taki was one of the first graffiti writers to turn it into a game of all city and getting up as much as you can. So right behind me, the guy in the blue shirt, right there, that's Taki. So the question is, what is the power behind the arts that why did it become all of this?
I think a lot of guys that had no direction, they started putting it up on the wall. But a lot of guys got direction that had no direction before. It empowered people who might have been marginalized.
There ain't nothing out here for you. Oh, yes, there is. This.
I don't know who that's from. Let's go check it out and see. So what's the concept of this room?
Conceptually, it's kind of based on like any apartment I've ever lived in or had when I was younger. It's like this is a model of the skateboard that I had. There's C.R. Stesic. I'm gonna go see if I can go talk to him.
And now for some wise words from Mr. Craig Stesic.
Last thing you want to do in life is get credit for anything. It's way easier to get blamed. So just say you're sorry and it'll be over.
It's a great show and I'm really impressed. And so my takeaway is that whether you're talking about graffiti, street art, guerrilla gardening, skateboarding, or any other subversive art form, claiming public space as your own personal canvas screams that despite society's norms, expectations, and controls, the human spirit will rise.
Stay down.
And that's what these art forms embody. And that's what Beyond the Streets represents. I want to give a shout out to Roger Gassman and all the people who contributed in making this an amazing show. I want to thank the artists for taking the time to explain to me what makes their art form so powerful. And I want to send a special thank you to Jim Prigoff for the invitation and for always taking the time to answer my questions, share his insights. Thank you so much, Jim. And yeah, the show is on until July 6th, so come check it out. And remember, art is power.